Hi, my name's Kelly Pryor. I played soccer in college. I continue to play adult competitive soccer now, and I've been training with Jeff since 2004. Before starting Jeff's program, my goals were to just get into better shape. I felt like I was in good shape, but I still wasn't getting the results on the field that I wanted. So I was hoping that through a structured program and with Jeff's knowledge, he could take me to the level that I wanted to be at. He helped develop my balance and helped me become a stronger player, so those frustrations were no longer a concern. Before I started training with Jeff, my frustrations on the field were, now that I'm getting a little bit older and still playing, I was falling a lot, I was getting pushed off the ball, and I just didn't understand what I needed to give me that edge that I used to have when I played college and club ball growing up. The thing I like best about training with Jeff is he pushes you and he shows you results. You have immediate results from his training. I took everything that I learned with him in the gym out on the soccer field. I was cutting harder, I was stronger, I had better balance, I was jumping higher. Just everything applies that you do with him, and you can see the results quickly and easily. The specific results that I achieved with Jeff's program were, as far as it applied to soccer, I was cutting harder, a little bit deeper, I was better balanced on the field, I was stronger, I wasn't getting pushed off the ball as easily when I'm playing co-ed with men's soccer players. But also, the results that I achieved that I didn't expect was weight loss. I lost about 8 to 10 pounds, and when I went in and started training with him, I felt like I was in good shape. So to lose that much weight, I was surprised. But also, Jeff took me from a 24% body fat to 11%, which is ideal for any woman athlete. I would highly recommend this program, Jeff's program, to any player who is looking to take their game to the next level. If you feel like your game is missing anything, which I know all of us are missing something, Jeff is going to give you what you need to get to that next level and be the player that you want to be.